everybody, welcome to Vintage Overland Adventures. On this episode, we have some rebuilt spindles. Not bad, huh? These should make a difference. Mine were getting pretty sloppy. You can hear them rattling around. So that's this week's project. All right, let's get on it. This ought to be fun. See, I have to air down to fit it in the garage. You gotta love it, folks. You gotta love it. Coming off pretty good. Get that Allen, take that off. Well, the little gaskets, they're broken, shot. These ones, broken. That one's not broken. So, I am going to order some new ones. Hey folks, let me get you caught up. I had to get some parts. I cleaned up everything, cleaned up all the dirt. Cleaned up all the trailing arms. I have all these sorted. I have the caps outside drying. You know how black dries. That's why I use the engine enamel. That stuff dries pretty fast. Seems like black never dries. So we got those. We're all set. So let's do some measuring. Let's get some glasses on. You just lay it flat across this on both sides. Make sure it's not at any weird angle. That's all I do. I come in here behind it and I'm still too blind to see that. Okay. Oh, nice. For some reason, I'm really comfy right now. If you're wondering, I'm almost 60. So this is going to be 6 millimeters. I'll just double check it. I am a little brain dead these days. Push hard. Look what I got. I'm gonna go 6. 6 it is, folks. 6. I have to write it on the floor, because in 5 minutes or 2 minutes, I'll forget. So there it is. Old, new. There's the little diagram, if you can see it on my phone. So we've got 2, 6, and 4 and 4. So C and D have 4 and 4. That would be the bottom one. That'll be easy. A, the inner, upper, will have 2. The outer will have 6. Perfect. And if you want, I'll put that diagram on my webpage. It'll be in the description below if you want to take a look at it. There's the lineup. I grease everything, assemble everything. Upper, number 2 in the back, 4 in the lower. This will be my first one. Put that in, swivel around, put the next one in. And Wolfgang International, they helped me out with some of the shims. I was missing 2 shims on this side. I think the driver's side, I have them all. They had some of these, there's some of the weird stuff I don't know if anybody else carries. These little spacers in here, that keeps the seal from riding into the arm. Yeah, thanks to these guys. They hooked me up. And they're always nice to me. There you go on that one. I'll show you. Put some jelly on your finger, stick it in the hole. More jelly on your finger, stick it in the hole. Okay, number, the lower one, 4 and 4, right? Little head start for these guys. There's little slots in here. Those will fit right in that. These are the caps. Maybe we can get this on. Never done this for people before. Yeah, I cheat that way. That looks pretty good. I just spin them and hope for the best. Time for some hardware. Cleaned up all the hardware. I probably swept away my cotter pins. Little worm slot you put the bolt through, then you tighten it. That's some tight stuff. That's right on it. This one's a little further away. Tighten that one down. Oh, that worked. That worked good. I might be holding it out a little bit. Voila. I have the air ratchet right there, but let's use this. Know where I stand. Remember, if the jack stand moves, move your hand from underneath the spindle. I think that's tight enough. That's up to torque specs, right? This one here. I'm gonna move that out. Just to locate the cotter pin hole. Easy. Usually that never works that well. this one off. This one likes it on here. A little drain hole. I want that on the bottom. Sounds good to me. One side done. Well, almost done. These are from Wagons West. Nate's stuff. Yeah, I've known Nate for a long time. I met him up in Seattle at the vintage meet 100 years ago. He was a kid. I remember him running up to me. He showed me what he had found. All in his shirt. Just probably 16, 17 years old. All happy. Bus parts. And that's back when buses weren't the popular Volkswagen, but we loved them. The good old days. I'm probably forgetting something, but to check all these, make sure they're all tight. I know one of mine was pretty loose, one of the kink pins. All right, let's see what I got. Yeah, these were done probably 1,000 miles ago. I just added a little bit to the inside and checked them off. It's pretty good in there. Uh-oh. Air compressor's on. I don't know what you want me to say right now. So, it's beautiful weather today. Elevation's probably 3,400 feet. No clouds in the sky. You don't even understand how hard it is for me to do all that stuff. It's fun. It's a great challenge. Don't go too tight. I had to get these out to get it tight. There's a little tab you got to bend over the nut. You get 2 or 3 uses out of those, and you gotta buy new ones. They don't last 30 years like they used to. Nice and clean in there. Don't look, Nate. There you go, buddy. It still looks good. Don't be mad at me. These things saved my life a couple times. They're amazing. Baby Stang, Wagons West. I don't even know what else to do. I guess I'll wash my hands and put the caliper on. If you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to hit that bell, guys. I try to post something every week, so you guys get notified if you like this kind of stuff. If you like the greasy fun stuff, I'm gonna start doing a little bit more of that. That's all buttoned up. I don't really like that. I'm gonna tilt that when I do my alignment, so it won't be a grabby.